Do you want to grow your business on social media as fast as possible? And are you sick of searching the web but not having some solid ready to action ways of growing your business fast? Well, then just stop whatever you are doing right now and pay attention to this short video that might take your business to a whole new level. Hi guys, my name is Shelly, and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 steps on how to grow your business on social media. In the past few years, social media marketing has grown so aggressively that if you don't join the change, you might lose your game. But you might say, hey, I am on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and on every possible channel, but still my business growth is not so much. Well, I am sure if you are one of those, you might be a bit off somewhere. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you will be able to grow your business with the help of these 5 steps. But before that, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button as well. So now, without any further delay, let's see our first step, which is choosing a suitable platform. If you are a beginner, I suggest you to do a bit of social media research first. Start by finding out on which platform your targeted audience is most active, what drives them to that platform, understand the working of that platform and choose that platform as your primary place on social media. Yes, I will suggest you to start with only one platform. Master that instead of joining every platform and ending up being unproductive. See, every social media platform has its own unique things. So if you start with one platform at one time, you can tailor your content according to it. And this helps you grow your social media fan base there. Although once you have established a massive audience, you can take your business to other social media sites as well. Also, don't forget to link them with each other, like you can mention your Facebook handle in your Instagram bio. Okay, like I have mentioned my YouTube channel in my Instagram bio. So now suppose you have joined the social game and if you think you are going alright, but wait, suddenly someone reports and spams you and your notification starts flooding with hate tweets because your audience finds some of your tweets offensive, but you didn't do it intentionally, right? So what are you going to do now? To avoid such situations, you need to know your target audience better, which is our second step. Basically, you need to know your demographic details such as their age, gender, economical level, preferences and their geographical details like their nationality, state and region, and even their faiths, beliefs, needs and frustrations. Yes, all these things matter because it will not just help you avoid some blunders, but also helps you understand the needs of your target audience so you can strategize your marketing accordingly, and this will ultimately grow your business faster. Okay, so now let's see our next step, and that is be more consistent and interactive. I can tell you one thing for sure, which surely gonna help you grow your business on social media, which is consistency. Try to post content regularly on a timely basis, as this will increase the chance of people engaging with your content more. And always try to interact with your audience to know what they like or if they expect any changes or anything of that of sort. And a very important thing here I'm going to tell you is how social media actually work. To answer this question, you have to understand algorithm. And no, you don't have to go back to your maths class for that. Social media algorithms are kind of, you can say, artificial intelligence that tracks the user data like comments, likes, shares to show them the content of their taste or things which users might like, so that they can actually make their users stay on their platform for more and more time. And in this game, comments play a big role. Do you know even Facebook and YouTube value comments more than likes? So what you have to do is create such engaging content which people find relatable and naturally comment on your post. Like you can try some question answers or ask for suggestions or take their queries. This will let the algorithm know that users actually like to see your content, and then it will naturally promote it to more users who might be interested in your content, and this clearly will increase the chance of conversion for you. So you see, it's beneficial for both. The platform will have more users see, and your business will have more click rates, and it's all organic, nothing is paid here. Okay, but yes, you have to serve your audience with some really good content. All right, now let us move further to our fourth step, which is tease your audience. You must have seen Instagram stories of people promoting something with that swipe up sign, right? Like if you are promoting a new webinar or some kind of online course, you can put a little informative promo with the link on stories saying swipe up to enroll. So what they do is, instead of just posting a picture or video of their product, they add a link to their website or a landing page where customers can sign up or directly buy the product. Or you often see ads online that give a short detail about the offered product and then says follow to know more, and then there is a link to the profile. Such tease ads don't just increase the interest of users, but they also increase the click rate of your post. And once more algorithms come into play and see how many users engage with your tweet, post or story, and suggest your content to more interested users. And those users can be your potential customers, because the more link clicks, the more possibility of conversions, right? And now on to our next step, that is step number 5, is to capitalize the trend. You see on social media there is new trend every single day, and staying up to date with all the social trends is very important for you to stay on top of your game. So I suggest you to use the right hashtags and keywords to be on the top of the trending game, and also always be alert of what is happening in the world or in your own industry. You need to stay in the moment and capitalize the moment. Remember when your social media feed were all filled by with Game of Thrones memes? A lot of brands, affiliates and influencers all jumped in this trend to capitalize it by making a Game of Thrones related insider joke to promote their product in a very creative way, and this is what they called moment marketing. And now with this we have come to the end of this video. So these were the 5 steps for you, my friend, to grow your business on social media fast. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment sections. At last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want to invite you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you there. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far. Bye bye.